What's up, good people? Welcome back to Stock Up with Larry Jones. Hey, do yourself a favor if you're new to the channel. Go ahead, hit the like button, but more importantly, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell. All right? Today, we're going to talk about stocks that we're looking at to buy the dips from. And I actually thought about starting a portfolio just to keep cash in, just to buy the dips. All right, we're going to discuss that and a few stock that I'm looking at, that and more in a few secs. So I just want to tell you guys that it was a rough couple of days, right? It's been a rough 4 or 5, it's been a rough 5 days, all right? And it's been a lot of volatility in the market. We knew it was coming. I kept saying cash up, it's coming, Q1, quarter one. And it came, and it's actually healthy. For those of you that held and didn't panic sell, you did the right thing, because you're going to see, I believe, by Friday of this week, that this extreme volatility will probably be over and this correction will be done. That's what I think. And if you know, by Friday or Monday. But as I told you guys yesterday, I wasn't buying anything yesterday. I sat still. I did a little shopping. So what I did was I went into my Bitcoin mining companies, which is MARA and Riot and SOS, and I bought a few shares of each. Nothing serious, like a couple of shares, just to start a new portfolio, just to see, like, if I dip down and buy even more dips. And I didn't buy anything. I'm just saying, like 5 shares a piece, right? Just to see how they would be up in the morning. And so far they're up. And so I started to think about, why don't I start a portfolio? Just keep maybe $10,000 cash in it, or $1,000 cash, or $100 cash, whatever you guys want to do. And just keep that cash there and forget about it. Maybe in another brokerage account. Maybe this is how you use your Webull account. For those of you that have a broker, I have a link below. You can click the link, put $100 in there, and they will give you up to $1,850 worth of free stock just for opening up an account. They're going to give you a free stock, but it's up to that. And then, of course, I get a stock myself. Mine's are usually under $30, But anyway, it helps the channel, but it helps you. And so what I would do is I know someone that got over $1,200 stock. Someone told me by depositing $100. Why not think about this? Keep that cash in there and trade with your other platforms and just use that to buy the dips. So I was thinking about doing something like that. And then the next time we have dips or corrections, just share it with you guys. Hey, I'm buying this at the bottom. Because think about this, the people that just got into the market, and I want you guys to be calm and cool. Do not panic sell. If you just got into the market, this is actually the best time to be getting into the market, because you bought everything on a discount, right? So I'm going to look at this phone right now, and I'm going to see where we are. So here we go. As you can see, Mara, as of right now, is up 13% from yesterday. All right, so I made a little money on Mara. SBE is up 1. Blink is up a little bit. Neo, I would say, is at a buy range. I would definitely be buying Neo at $48. I would be buying it long term and hold it for 5 years. Because Neo is going to look a whole lot different in 5 years than it is now. Neo will be well over $100, I believe, in 24 months. I believe Neo, you will be able to double your money. That's what I believe. All right. We got Tesla. Tesla's at 700. Tesla's coming to me, man. Tesla just keeps coming to me. Elon Musk is like one crazy tweet away from bringing Tesla down to, maybe 600 range. And then I'm going to start, loading the boat back up with some more Tesla because it's going from there. VGAC is up. We're not talking about that one right now because remember, I got in at 1042. And so I would say just cool it on that. DS, Drive Shack. This is a post-COVID move. DS is a post-COVID move. So now's the time to be buying DS. I like DS. Like I said, I went to a Top Golf. I'm not even a golfer. I went there during the height of COVID and a winter time, and it was snow, and that place was jam-packed. Drive Shack is hiring new, these professional golfers. They're going to start running commercials. They're buying new property. And so now is the time to be buying Drive Shack. And just wait until summer. Don't say, hey, ride the little volatility out and just wait. I believe this is easily a $7 stock. I really do. Easily by this summer. So you're talking about more than doubling your money, right? These are my predictions. Riot. I bought it last night. Now I'm up 9%, almost 10%. We'll see how the day ends. Remember, I just only bought a few shares just to see, how my quote unquote buy the red portfolio would perform. All right. This is Grayscale, Bitcoin. This is Ethereum. My Ethereum. Those of you that know that I have the other portfolio, the Ethereum is up $4. The reason I'm showing you this, if you would have panicked sold any of these, you would have lost money, right? We got Plug, Bitcoin, NNDM, that wasn't on my list. That wasn't on my radar for you guys to buy. CCIV, $33 right now as we're looking at it. For those of you that's not in the CCIV, I would absolutely be buying CCIV at $33. I would be buying and I would be holding long. There is going to be volatility in CCIV. It's going to be there. I think CCIV will run up to between $45 and $48. And I believe that CCIV is an absolute buy at $33. Absolutely. For those of you that's been wanting to get in, now's the time to get in. Not at 60, like I told you guys not to get in, but now's the time to get in. VRU. VRU is pretty flat. I have a position in VRU, but I'm holding long. I believe there's good news coming, and I believe that this stock is going to run. Zome. I'm holding Zome. Zomedica. I'm up 9.5%. We'll see how the day goes. And then SOS, up 5%, right? So a lot of you guys have been asking about SOS. We're up 5%. Had I panic sold, I wouldn't be up 5%. I would have lost this 5%. And they says, oh, it's a fraud, it's a fraud, it's a fraud. Listen, I've been doing this too long. I've heard that too many times. As a matter of fact, the best thing that could happen to SOS is like Weiss Law or this other law firm comes with a class action lawsuit. That is the absolute best thing that could happen to SOS. When they have a share offering, meaning they're diluting the rest of the shares, and then this comes along, the rumor, and then the best thing that could happen right now is that there's a class action lawsuit against SOS Limited. That's the best thing that could happen right now. I will literally load the boat up with even more SOS because I'm just going to make money on the fear and all of these rumors. Yeah, something could be true. I don't know. But all I know is I'm going to make money with SOS, and I'm buying these dips and I'm going to make money. You do your own research. Remember, I'm not your financial advisor. I'm not telling you what to buy. I'm sharing with you what I'm buying. What I'm telling you guys is I always say this, pull up any chart, pull up a whole year, right? Maybe pull up 2 years. And then I want you to go back to January of 2020. And then I want you to look at December of 2020. Every single stock tanked, came back, and a lot of the stock shot way higher than it was pre-COVID. So what happens was some people had it here. They panic sold. When it came down, they sold here, locked in all of their losses. But the ones that loaded or actually bought then or held out made more money. So it started here, it dipped here, and it came here. This is a game of patience, good people. And I just want to tell you, we're going on this journey together. Okay, good people? We're in, I believe, a recovery stage. I believe we're going into a recovery stage. I think now's a good time to start buying again. And from there, we go into another bull run. There's going to be some days, there's going to be some volatility, but this is a game of patience, good people. So let's be steadfast and let's make good money. Having said that, I want you guys, I'm going to leave a link here. I have started a $5 a day challenge. We want you guys to participate in the $5 a day challenge. I want you to watch this video. Then there's a video that's going to be in the box after that and another one after that. It literally will help so many people break the bondage of poverty and create generational wealth with just $5 a day. These principles work, and now you're investing and you're trading. All right, good people. Hey, we're heading for a good season. We just got through with all of the correction, and there still might be a little volatility left. I mean, this day, the bottom could fall out of this day when you're hearing this. But I'm telling you that there's a lot of money to be made. There's way more good news. The market is shaking out all the weak people, but this is for the strong. So remember, when you feel like you should be selling, you should be buying. All right. Write your disciplines down. I write my disciplines down. I have my disciplines from over 25 years. I still have them because when I see stuff falling like CCIV and I get ready to sell, I literally look at it and read it. You should be buying instead of selling. And I look at the company, see what's going on, and then make my decision. Right. So I would tell you most of the stock out there that have been red this week will come back green. Not all of the stock, but good companies, like Apple, Facebook, these are solid companies. And even the Bitcoin. I could tell you right now, I'm gonna make a bold predicament. Right now, where you're listening and looking at these prices right now with Bitcoin, is coming back. I don't care about the dip and the sell-off and all of that, the profit taking. Just remember, it's only profit taking. It's going up. Then I'm going to tell you what's the next thing that's going to explode, the cryptocurrency. So that's why I also have a link below for Coinbase app. That cryptocurrency is the next. What generally happens is Bitcoin makes a run, and then it'll come to a point. And then the cryptocurrency, these altcoins, which are a lot of them are under $1, then they will really start to run. And so you have both apps below. Just download them. And what I like about Coinbase is they show you tutorials for people that are new into Bitcoin, and then they reward you with free Bitcoin after watching the tutorials. Okay. All right, good people. I am going to start a buy the dips portfolio, and that's all I'm going to do is act like that money is not there. I don't care if it's $1,000. We're going to act like it's not there. And on these red days, we're going to buy it. We're going to just buy the dips, and we're going to share it with you. All right, good people. Hey, love you guys. Live, love, laugh, and learn.